Today, I will share with you a good project with a small investment. It's the processing and unutilizing of BMS combustion particles, strong branches that are very common around us. After crushing, it is extruded by a wood pellet machine. Double the view. Now, many friends want to enter the industry, but the compression pellet machine does not know how to choose to be more particle. Today I will share the Xiuhui mode with you. Wood pellet machine. Its power is 1,050 kilowatts. Product is between 1.5 and 2 tons. It's very suitable for friends who want to start the business and want to invest less.